Fancy shorts. Can you call yourself a man if you wear shorts like that? Today, we got a whole crew. We can get some fuel first, then I'll tell you what's up. We're gonna do 87 today. That's what she likes. She's on a diet. Hey, thought I picked 87. Johnny, my man. RBK. Alex. The last time we rode, we did a spicy challenge, spicy ramen, and you failed miserably. I don't even think you made it halfway through the bowl. I want to see you win. I think everybody wants to see you win. So today, we're going to your playing field. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings. We're going to do the Blazin Challenge. Do you think you can handle this one?
Yeah.
I can't handle 2 losses in a row, dude.
I got it.
And Johnny, we trust, right?
Yeah.
What about you, RBK? You going to do the challenge?
No.
What about you, Alex?
Too hot.
You're a crazy madman. Oh, out of my way, Prius. Oh, good looking truck. Oh. You got me so good. So we're gonna meet up with 2 others at the Tribuco General Store, both of which I've never met before. They're subscribers that just kind of reached out and wanted to ride. I do that from time to time, and I figured today would be fitting since it's gonna be kind of a short day and it's gonna be a food challenge. I'm trying to get everybody involved, man. I wanna see everybody in pain. The only other person so far that's agreed to this challenge side, Johnny, is the Marine. He says he doesn't like spice, but Mama didn't raise the puss. That's what he said. Before we get too far along in today's video, I want to thank all the patrons of the channel. If you see your name right here in the screen, I want you to know you're extra special to me. As a matter of fact, even if your name isn't on the screen, you're still special to me. Thanks for watching. What is this sparkly car thing? They got hats to match. Alex and Greg, that's who I'm meeting today. Alex and Greg. Alex is the Marine and Greg's the dude from Ohio. All right.
What's going on?
Are you Greg?
I'm Greg.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Meet you.
And you're Alex?
Yep. We're Moto and the club.
Club lives in Rhode Island. Moto quit riding after a semi-truck ran him over. We're doing a wing challenge today. Do you like spicy food?
Yeah.
Are you going to compete in this thing?
Only if it's like atomic blazing hot.
You're in. All right, so you 3. All right, Johnny, you got some support today.
I like it.
How you doing, Bob? Bob, keep breaking my truck. What do we got today, Bobby? Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here.
You can ignore my red card. Alex, you want to check this cock?
I'll let you do the honors. You want to check the cock? None of the cock today. Dawson Racing Services, all right. Mad Max Garage. Oh, money. I like money. All right, dude. Chad from Dallas with the 20 spot.
Sweet.
Thanks, Chad. Thanks, everybody. Really appreciate that. Sometimes there's stuff back there. We have any goodies back there?
Harbor Freight screwdriver was last year.
You were the one that did that? I remember that. Oh, so Bob's not done.
Not done.
We got more for Bob.
And there's diesel feet. Electric bill.
Sub D, my name is Conrad. I rode from Vegas to see Bob. Bob, all right. Come for a helicopter ride at Sundance Helicopters. Dude, I'd definitely go out to Vegas for a helicopter ride. Hey Sub D, been watching you for a while now. Love the videos. Came from Houston, Texas. Another one from Texas. Keep up the good vids. From Lucas. Thanks, Lucas. Here's my number if you get that. Should we call Lucas? Let's call Lucas. And then we have, says, hello, I just wanted to inform you that I find you very attractive. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sub D, my brother and I drove down from Washington for UFC 241 in Anaheim. I thought we'd stop by and meet Bob. We'd pay for your drinks, but we spent all of our money getting down here. Ah, no problem, man. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Thank you so much, and I hope the fight was good. All right, and what do we got here? More money. Bob's like my Patreon. Sub D, thanks for the videos. Been watching for 3 years. Enjoy a drink on me. Kenny, Salt Lake City. Thank you guys so much for all this stuff. It means a lot. I always get excited when I see that Bob's got stuff, man. I love it. Makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. All right. You're good to me again today, Bob.
Thanks, buddy. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
See you later, bye.
Bye, guys.
All right, let's call Lucas.
Don't drop that.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, is Lucas around?
Yeah.
Hi, Lucas. This is Suburban Delinquent and a bunch of other idiots. We wanted to invite you to Buffalo Wild Wings to eat some hot wings.
Oh my god, dude. No way.
Eat that. I want to buy you some hot wings. Would you like to come to Buffalo Wild Wings and compete against Johnny Boy?
No way. I'm not in California anymore, sadly. I was just going there for vacation. That's insane. I'm so glad you got my note though. Yeah, I'm a big fan. I've been watching you for a while and you got me into riding, so I actually just bought a 2019 start, so.
Right on, man. That's a great bike. And I appreciate that. Thank you. All right, Lucas, I'm going to get off the phone here, drink my soda pop, and then we're going to be on our way, and hopefully Johnny wins this. Do you want to wish Johnny good luck?
Good luck, Johnny.
Thanks, man.
All right. Bob was cool, man. Bob had all the gifts. Again, I want to say thank you to everybody that hooked it up, man. Today got a little cheaper. White line? All right. No cheating. I don't feel like that was fair. All right, I lost, but what are you gonna do? This car pulled out ahead of us, and the other dude ran the light. Buffalo Wild Wings challenge. I mean, it's Buffalo Wild Wings. How hard could it be, right? From what I can tell, it's 12 wings in 6 minutes. 30 seconds a wing. I was doing a little bit of research when planning this day out, and I saw that Furious Pete completed this in 30 seconds. So if Furious Pete can do this in 30 seconds, I hope these dudes can do it in 6 minutes. Oh shit. This is gonna hurt. I'll tell you what though, if Johnny wins this challenge, I'm gonna really put the burn to him. I'm gonna find the absolute hottest shit ever for him to try next. Can't let the boy get too confident. I might let him win twice, but I'm gonna knock him down hard with some challenge. You'll see. Greg was saying he rode that bike all the way out from Ohio. If I was gonna do that ride, I'd be on that bike. So he's done it twice. It's a good looking car. I'm not talking about this one. Dumbass Prius.
They just gave someone
Johnny, you gonna win this one?
Ready, set, go. It makes it worse if you hold it in your mouth. It makes it so much worse just to try to swallow it. That's a clean bone. That bone's good. Look at it. You're doing good.
What do you think, RBK?
Johnny's looking pretty good. The other two, they're struggling.
You all right? No pressure, Johnny. Is that Johnny's last one?
Oh, you got one more. You got that and one more. Hurry up, take it off. Take it off. Go.
40 seconds.
Good, Johnny! Put that special sauce on there, buddy.
Hurry up. Get the top. Good, get that.
Come on, we got 30 seconds.
Go, Johnny. Right like a carpet.
Look at him shaking.
Go, Johnny. Just take it around. Get him up.
That's clean. That's clean.
Take it. Take it. 10 seconds. Hurry on. Swallow it.
Just have to swallow it. Here, we got it.
Hell yeah, Johnny.
Oh, he won!
Yeah, that's it.
Johnny!
Fuck yeah, Johnny.
The one that did it.
We got some milk right now. Oh, please. Good God.
Guys, we go.
I don't even want to look at it, dude.
So what happened?
It wasn't that bad. They were delicious. I don't know what happened.
You must not have been hungry. What about you? What happened, dude? You got, let's see.
I got like
Do you get like,
5 down. They put too much ketchup on it.
oh, how you feeling?
Spicy.
Johnny, what do you think?
Easy money, dude.
You got this one.
My man.
Thanks for coming to Buffalo Wild Wings with us and competing in that challenge.
Not a problem.
How'd you do though?
I did not come in last, but I did not come in first.
But you were there, that's all that mattered.
No.
Hottest thing you ever ate?
Hottest thing I've ever eaten.
You're headed back to Ohio.
Heading back to
I
Cincinnati.
hope to see you for AIM Expo. We'll be out there on the 28th.
I'll be up there.
We'll have a good time.
That's on the-
We'll do another spicy challenge. Alex, you came all the way from 29 Palms. Yeah, how'd you do in your challenge?
I did better than I thought I would.
You had like a half a wing, right? Nice to meet you, sir. Be safe. Thank you for your service. And I hope we cross paths again, right? All right. All right. Good job for Johnny. I got to tell you, man, I ate one of the leftover wings. At least I had 3 big bites. And holy shit. The hottest thing that I've ever eaten right there. I don't know how these guys do it, man. I don't know how anybody does spicy challenges. It's intense. Anyway, good for Johnny, man. He got a t-shirt. He got all kinds of goodies. I want to wish Greg a good trip home. Dude's got like 4,000 miles to ride. I met some of the coolest people ever making these videos, man. I'm in such a fortunate position. I just want to thank all you guys watching these videos that make this all possible for me. You guys are allowing me to live the dream. I won't forget you, and I appreciate it. Thank you. Check out my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. Got some good stuff going on there. Been working pretty hard on the website. I got some new stuff coming, so definitely check the site out. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I do upload a video. Make sure you follow Johnny and RB5K on Instagram. Links in the description of the video there. Please make sure to support the channel partners. Law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, Chaparral Moto, LUIMOTO seats. Those companies have been with me for a long time. All I ask is if you're in the market for any of their services or products, consider them first. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Look at him shaking.
Go, Johnny. Quit thinking around. Get in your mouth.
That's clean. That's clean.
Hell yeah,
Yes.
Johnny. Take it.
Good. 12 seconds.
Hurry up. Swallow it.
He doesn't have to swallow it. Here, we got it.
Hell yeah.